And that is our super duper 5-minute Choco Baileys fix. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. If you're a Baileys fan, a chocolate fan, you want your Baileys Choco fix, this is it in 5 minutes. Simple recipe, come on. You will need a microwavable type bowl. In here, all-purpose flour, plain flour, baking powder, so basically that's making that self-raising flour, cocoa powder, brown sugar, but you can use white sugar, not a problem, and a little pinch of salt, a little mixy in there. Now I'm doing it in here just because it's easier and we can stir it up, and then I'm going to transfer it to my bowl. You could make it all in there, but you know, make it easy for yourself, whatever you fancy. Now we are using butter, and I always butter my dish out, so I'm going to put a little bit of melted butter in there. And we're just going to rub it round and up the sides. Now you don't have to do this, but you know, I do feel it stops the pudding from sticking in the bowl. So whatever makes it easy, we go for. Also what we do, we take a little bit of, oh look, that's made it into a flower. Oh, that looks lovely. We want a little bit of parchment paper in the bottom of there. That's going to help us release the pudding. Okay, that's quite nice, that. And we want a little bit of parchment paper to go over the top. Okay, in here, our butter. We got some milk. We got some Baileys. Actually, I might put a bit more in. That'll do. And then all we're going to do is give that a mix up. So give that in there. Nice little mix up. Make sure it's all fully incorporated. Okay, and all we're going to do is chuck that lot in there. Easy. Okay, this is quite a big pudding bowl. It's a litre bowl actually. If you had a ½ litre, that would be better, because obviously you get a nice little raised up small pudding, but you know, we're going to do this for the microwave and it's absolutely fine for show. Right, I'm just going to put that in there. It's going to help steam the pudding inside. Okay, it's not going to hold it down or anything, and we don't have to put anything over the top. We're just going to microwave it. Okay, there's our pudding in there, in the microwave. Oh, we're in there. We're just going to select high power and we'll hit it for a minute first. We are going to watch it. It wants to be between a minute and a minute and a half if you have a high powered microwave, anything from 1000 watts up. If it's not raised up, if it's not fluffy soft, little 30-second intervals, ding, until you get the pudding you want. Oh, it smells wonderful. Okay, let's have a look. It's a bit soft in the middle there. We are going to do another 30. So we got another 30 seconds on there, look. Oh, this is easy cooking. There we go. Come on, we must have a pudding by now. Oh, that looks like a pudding. Stick a skewer in. Oh, clean as a whistle. Right, we've got a low down pudding there. Like I say, if you'd have used a half, that's red hot. If you'd have used a half size pudding basin, you'll get a smaller, higher pudding. Okay, we want to be turning that little pudding out of there onto a plate. Now this thing is absolutely red hot, so we have to be a bit careful. And we're just going to flip it over. I'm going to take that off there. And that is our really low down little pudding on there. Looks a bit sad, doesn't it? All we're going to do is get that off that we put on there. Oh, look at that. Fabulous. And you know it, a little bit of Bailey's on there. And that is our super duper 5-minute Choco Bailey's fix. Look at that. Come on, that is a 5-minute Choco fix. That is really off the charts. Oh. A nice thick chocolate sponge steeped in that Bailey's. What a 5 minutes Bailey's Choco fix. Amazing. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.